All right, need a haircut. Hey, it's Monday morning, January 24th, I do believe. So we're getting ready to clean these hardwood floors upstairs. We just finished the floors downstairs. So look, so these floors are in great shape up here. So what we'll do is we'll come in and we'll put a product on them and clean them up, spruce them up, get them all cleaned up and ready to go. There's 3 bedrooms and a hallway up here, and then we'll do a set of steps going down and then go down into the master bedroom. So we've done a broom sweep over here, and there's our product. We'll put on the floor, and then we'll scrub them with a red pad buffer, vacuum it up, get it dry, and then go over everything with a white pad. So Monday the 24th, January 22, and cleaning some hardwood floors. So if your hardwood floors are looking kind of dull and stuff like that, give us a call, 513-817-1700, Olmec Reflections. Check some of our work out on YouTube. We're also on Instagram, LinkedIn, all the social media sites. So give us a call. We'll come out and take a look, see what you got going on your floor, ask you a couple questions, and see what process we need to do to get your floors looking good again. All right, we will come back at you and show you the final product. All right, this is Don. See you in a few.